To here. That's a lot of love.
I mean, I don't really know what to say at this point.
There's a lot of love.
There's a lot of love going around here. And I mean, Mr. Styles' love these days is hard to come by. It's hard to come by. Can we just embrace just for a second, please? Bring it. Styles, have you got... Now, you're usually the man to go for if you've got a bit of a problem with something, for the jokes. Do you know any good jokes to tell the Amsterdam? Just leave me with something. Come on, here we go.
You want me to tell a joke?
I want you to tell us a funny joke.
Alright. Knock, knock. No one.
You're laughing, I can see you, don't laugh. Mr. Styles, leave them with some parting words, and I'm going to go and get ready for the next song. That's the one.
I'm going to do some more jokes. Okay.
Has anyone lost a shoe?
Has anybody lost a shoe? Anyone?
Size 5, roughly, it's a bit smelly.
Whose shoe is this? Jesus Christ.
It's a bit witchy. Don't do it, Styles. Yeah,
You don't want that back. You don't want that back. Someone's going to be walking out like this. Good times, good times. A massive, massive thank you to everybody who came to see us tonight. Thank you for having us here in Amsterdam. You've been absolutely incredible. You've been so loud. Thank you so much for all your support. Oh my God, you're the best. We love you and we hope to see you again soon. We've been One Direction. This is Best Song Ever. Thank you very much.